Have you ever missed a bus by just a few seconds? You watch the doors close, you start to run, but it's too late. That small moments of bad timing is a perfect way to learn one of the most common English patterns: cause and result. Let's listen to one short story and see how small words like because, so, and that's why they turn simple events into a story and makes it interesting. This morning, I missed my bus. I left the house late because I couldn't find my keys. When I finally found them, the bus was already leaving. I ran for a few seconds, but the driver didn't see me. So I stopped, took a deep breath, and laughed. It wasn't the end of the world. Because I missed that bus, I had time to buy coffee. And because I bought the coffee, I met an old friend in the cafe. One small delay became a small surprise. This story has two kinds of sentences. Cause. I left the house late because. Why? Because I couldn't find my keys. The result? So I missed the bus. I left the house late because I couldn't find my keys, so I missed the bus. When you connect them, your English becomes more natural and logical. It flows. The words because, so, and that's why are just small little words, but they show reason and consequence, the heartbeat of everyday stories. Let's feel the difference. Because explains the reason. I was late because I couldn't find my keys. So shows the results. And because I couldn't find my keys, I was late. You could say it the other way around. I couldn't find my keys, so I was late. You could say because I couldn't find my keys, I was late. That's why repeats the idea to confirm the results. I couldn't find my key. That's why I was late. That's why. So you confirm the result. That's why I'm late. You explain yourself. You explain to your teacher. I couldn't find my keys. That's why I'm late for work or late for class. The same meaning, different rhythm. Say them slowly and notice how your voice changes with each connector. In English, stories sound clearer when we link cause and result naturally. Instead of just short, broken sentences like, I missed the bus, I was late, I forgot my keys. Join them. I missed the bus because I forgot my keys, so I was late. One sentence tells what happened and why. That's how English flows like conversation. Say these three short examples with me. I stayed home because it was raining. It was raining, so I stayed home. It was raining, that's why. That's why I stayed home. Hear the shift in focus each time. That's the flexibility that make English expressive. So, a misbust isn't just bad luck. It's a tiny grammar lesson in disguise for today. Next time you tell a story, listen for those little connectors that show why something happened. They glue and hold your English together. Rewatch, shadow this story again. Every repeat builds rhythm, logic, and confidence in your speech.